Greetings to all. Today's topic is persistence of vision. We have studied that the image of an object is formed on the screen called retina. It is interesting to note that the impression of an image does not vanish immediately from the retina. It persists there for 1/16th of a second. Therefore, if a sequence of still images of an object is flashed before our eyes at a rate faster than 16 images per second, then our eyes view it as a moving object. The movies that we see are actually a number of separate images in a sequence. When they are flashed in front of our eyes at a rate of 24 images per second, that is much more than 16 images per second, we see all these images as moving objects. Our eyes also have a wonderful ability to focus and see nearby as well as far off objects clearly by changing the thickness of the lens. This property is called accommodation power of eyes. The minimum distance at which the eye can see objects very clearly without strain is called the near point of the eye, and it is about 25 cm. The farthest point up to which the eye can see objects clearly without strain is called the far point of the eye. For a normal eye, the far point is infinity. Due to certain abnormalities or age, our eyes lose the power of accommodation. As a result, it may be able to focus on either nearby or distant objects clearly. This condition is known as defect of vision. Let us discuss common defects of the eye. First, nearsightedness or myopia. A person suffering from myopia can see nearby objects but cannot see distant objects distinctly. In a myopic eye, the image of a distant object is formed in front of the retina and not at the retina itself. To correct a myopic eye, the person has to use spectacles with a concave lens. Second, far-sightedness or hypermetropia. A person suffering from hypermetropia can see distant objects clearly but cannot see nearby objects distinctly. In a hypermetropic eye, the image of nearby object is formed behind the retina and not at the retina itself. To correct a hypermetropic eye, the person has to use spectacles with a convex lens. Third, cataract. It is a leading cause of blindness among the adults of 45 years of age and older. The eye lens becomes cloudy. Because of this cloudiness, light rays do not pass through the lens to focus on the retina. As a result, things look foggy or cloudy. This defect can be treated by replacing the opaque lens with a new artificial lens.